All right, for the next one, what we're going to do, it's pretty much the same as all the other ones. I'm going to take the quantity 3x plus 4 times the quantity x minus 7. What's the first thing that I need to do? Anybody got some suggestions? Well, we're not ready for the like terms yet, but we'll definitely have to do that. We're multiplying this out. How have we multiplied all the other ones out? Yeah, the box or the grid, right? So that was a good one. Thank you, sir. So I'm going to draw a 2x2 box. What should I put on the top? What should I put right here? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Plus 4, very good. And what should I put over here? Yep, very good. X minus 7, good. You guys are paying attention. All right, so for this box here, I'm going to say 3x times x. What's 3 times 1? 3. What's x times x? X to what power? 2. Yeah, squared or 2, right? So this becomes 3x squared. For my next one, for my next trick, I'm going to say 4 times x, right? But I'm going to think of it, remember with x, it's like 1x, right? We just don't write the 1 down. So what's 4 times 1? 4, very good. And what do I do with this x? Just throw it away? No, we'll just tack it on, right? So this becomes 4x. All right, let's do the next one. I'm going to do 3x times negative 7. Well, this one we're just going to multiply the numbers and try not to forget about the x. What's 3 times negative 7? Negative 21. Good job. And then tack on our x. So this right here becomes negative 21x. And then lastly, do I have another color left? Red, yellow. I don't want to use yellow because you won't be able to see it. So let's just, the last one's going to be 4 times negative 7, which is negative 28, right? Is that what you said? I can't hear very good. Yeah. He's like, yeah, that's what I said. So now what do we do? Yep. Now we're going to combine like terms. Now the only like terms are going to be these, right? Because that's x to the first power, x to the first power. But I'm just going to write it out. 3x squared plus, that's a positive 4x, minus 21x, minus 28. Again, as I mentioned before, the like terms are 21x, negative 21x, and 4x. So that adds up to negative 17x. And then I just tack everything else on. So this would be 3x squared minus 17x minus 28. Okay. Does anybody have any questions on that? Okay, that's it. Good job.